5 simple ingredients. That's all this takes. So we'll be using celery, cucumber, ginger, lemon, parsley, and mint. And a combination of all of this are nature's way to flush out everything your body does not need. They hydrate at a cellular level, reduce inflammation. They also support digestive system, and parsley is loaded with iron and vitamin K, which is very powerful. Now, this juice is amazing for you. Once you try this, you just will never want to go back. This is exactly what healing looks like in a glass. And trust me, if you drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, you're giving your body a real chance to rest. And this is nourishment just the way God intended it to be. So do tell me in the comment section, would you be trying this? I'm rooting for you.